Did you know that at the beginning of the 19th century, iron started to be used in building and architecture as a main component, instead of just used as a part for small auxiliary components of buildings? This change was brought about by new manufacturing and building techniques that were discovered during the Industrial Revolution. In the book Architecture in the 20th Century, art historian Alfred Gotthold Meyer claimed that iron architecture brought with it a new quality of building. Iron architecture in its structural form began to be shown as an aesthetic part of the building, instead of being purely a structural element of the building being hidden away as with previous architectural styles, such as classicism. William J. R. Curtis, in the book Modern Architecture, believes that this new way of designing came about as a reaction to the tired social, philosophical, and aesthetic values of the eras before. One such architect that began to embrace this new approach to architectural aesthetics is John Nash, who's primarily known for his neoclassical style architecture, which can be seen in his building, the Orangery. Originally built at Buckingham Palace in 1825, it was later relocated in 1837 due to its unsuitable location for growing plants and trees. The building at first glance may look like a neoclassical Greek temple due to its use of Ionic columns along the front and back, but it houses fresh new ideas unique to what modern technology allowed. For example, the Orangery is covered in glass around the entire exterior of the building, even including the pediment on the top, flooding the interior with as much natural light as possible. Another feature of the building is its advanced cast iron structure, which becomes much more obvious when you move into the interior of the building. The iron structure is on full display, being used as its own kind of ornamentation and aesthetic instead of being hidden away. John has even cut out different sized holes in the iron truss going along the roof as a way to decorate, but in a new, unique way. The Orangery displays the subtle beginnings of the complete overhaul in architectural thinking that was to come in the later 19th century. If you would like to learn more about any of the topics discussed in this short documentary, check out these books and websites.